Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to install Auxito's LED turn signals 7440 with projectors. These are easy to install, simple plug and play, nice non-polarity design. It comes with 14 pieces of 3030 SMD LED chips. Nice 360-degree lighting with a glass projector for stronger penetration. It has a heat-resistant aluminum circuit board with a solid alloy body for better heat dissipation. Inside has a built-in IC driver to avoid radio signal interference. We are going to place these bulbs in a 2010 Toyota Prius. Very simple install. So you want to go to your rear cargo, find the back panel, and just go ahead and pry it open. Locate your turn signal, and you want to twist it counterclockwise. So go ahead and once you got it twisted counterclockwise, then you're going to go ahead and pull it out. And here's your halogen turn signal. Just pull that out. Go ahead and take your Auxito bulb. They are non-polarity, so you can put them in any way and they'll work. Just snap that in and place it back in the hole. And then you want to twist it clockwise to lock it into place. Then go ahead and return the cover. That's how they look inside the housing. The LED, halogen. If you're interested in purchasing this product, I'm going to leave a product link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.